Namaste. Today, let's learn how to do Camel Pose, Ustrasana. Practicing Camel Pose can help you to improve your flexibility in the spine and shoulders, strengthen your back muscles, open your chest and lungs, stimulate your abdominal organs, and reduce stress and anxiety. It's very important to listen to your body. Don't force yourself into the pose if it causes pain. We have to do some gentle stretches and warm up exercises before attempting camel pose. First, in your sitting position. Then slowly lift up your hips and then your hands beside your legs. Kneel on the floor with your knees hip width apart. Slowly put your hands on your hips with your fingers pointing towards your feet. Then slowly place your hands on your hips with your fingers pointing towards your feet. Inhale and lift your chest forward, drawing your shoulder blades together. Then another inhale. Slowly reach your back. You can stay here if this is your limit. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. If you can continue, straighten your hands. Both hand grabs on your left and right heels. Okay, lift your chest up. Inhale and exhale. Deep breath in. Open up your chest. To release, slowly bring your hands back to your hips. Lower your chest and back to your sitting position.